Welcome to the Kitty Cat Snack Shack, fast food for elementary lines.
It's a nice place you've got here.
It's a little bijou, perhaps, but I think of it as a home. Now let me see. Gourmet ducks. Casserole of duck. Duck with cherries. Duck and chestnuts. Duck and pineapple. Duck pate. Duck pancakes with plum sauce. Ah, here we are. Duck orange.
So, what are we having for lunch?
Oh, I'm having you for lunch.
Yes, I know, but what are we eating?
Oh, that? I'll look something up. A surprise.
My mother always warned me beware of the cat. She must have been talking about someone else.
Bless her. Mothers are all the same. They think it's part of their job description to stop us from having fun. Not my mother, though. Oh, no, she was different. Do you want to know what my mother used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some thread. But I remember, as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can sing your child before you chew it. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So don't let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can tell with your tongue before you crunch. You can play with your food while I hide it. It's a crazy little game called lunch. So tell me that what you like to do. It can be anything. I won't tell you, huh?
Anything?
Yes, of course.
Well, I'd like to paddle the puddles down in the mud and take the back to the shallows. Then maybe if this time goes by, you slime through the marsh where you find the marshmallows. I go and slay a dragon by marsh water boatman race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitchen. You can play with your food before you nibble. You can just put your joint before the sauce. You can play with your food before dribble. Okay, with the best advice. You can play with your food before you cook it. You can mess with your meal before you punch. You can play with your food, then cook it. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
We could go brushing in the brushes, dashing down a ditch, finding a place where it's foggy. Then make a little camp that's thinking of the damn for me and my meat go hoggy. And if the other ducklings want to come and join our games, they'd have to make a promise first to stop calling me names.
Oh, I'll help you forget the way they scolded, just as soon as I have got my napkin folded. If I seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? I've got it now. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can shake your child before you chew. You can play with your food, you can feed it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your duck before the crunch. You can play with your moon. Why fight it? It's a crazy little game. So tell me, Ducky, do you like oranges?
I don't know, I've never tried one.
Well, suck on this! It's a crazy little game called lunch!
What's that noise?
Salivating.
It's coming from outside.
Oh, that? So dramatic children from the farm playing ball. Do they come and play with me? Do they ring around my rosy? I don't suppose they even remember that they own a cat. Some people just didn't keep animals. And 8 out of 10 cats who express their preference wouldn't be with me.
What are people?
What are people? Bad news. That's what people are. Just consider yourself lucky that I'm going to spare you from ever having to encounter them.
Stop!
Yes, correct. It's a duck.
Stop!
Yes, I know, it's a ruddy duck.
Actually, I think I'm a mallard.
Stop!
Struck out by a foul.
You broke the window!
Oh no, they're coming in. That's a good idea. You hide in there until the heat is off. Perhaps we can have lunch some other time. I'll find my own way back to the duck yard. Goodbye. Oh no. Now, was it right past the cow shed and left at the hen house, or... No, there was a pig's trough, I remember the smell. And a water butt he wouldn't let me play in it. No, I'm sure it was left past the cow shed. I'd like to paddle in puddles, dabble in mud, take sticklebacks and shallows. Oh dear, I think I'm lost.
Lost? With the cat? I know ducklings don't get lost with cats, you know that. But we don't know for sure.
Did the cat really eat you, Mama? That's kind of gross.
Yeah, fancy eating something as ugly as that.
That's enough of that. I don't want to hear another quack. He will be back here by morning, and when he gets back, you are going to be nice to him. Now off to roost. A duck said he saw a cat walking around with, well, who else looks like that? I don't believe it. He is a tough little duck, and I'm certain he could outsmart that mangy old Tom. Of course he could. No, he's out there. Probably on his way home right now. And if he isn't, well, I'll have to just go and find him myself then, won't I? since your son went missing. How are you bearing up? Can you raise a tear for the camera?
What? Oh, good. They're here. Leave this to me, love. Now, which do you think is my better side?
Drake, what is this?
This dude is Maggie Pie from America's Most Famous. We're doing a feature. This will get us up on the televisions, yeah. Here's the picture you wanted. It's a little torn on frame. But we're all still in a state of deep immunity.
Ida, there have been rumors of farmyard bullying. Do you believe that your son was abducted, or is it possible that he ran away to escape his persecutors? What are you saying? That's good. I'll buy that. Defensive, yet emotional, just in hints of anger. I'm filling up here.
And what about me? Does no one care what I think?
Sorry, sir. Coming to the end of the transmission. I'm going to leave the final word with Ida, just in case your son is out there watching. But for now, this is Maggie Pie from America's Most Feathered, saying that if you see anything suspicious, from thieving jaybirds to lost ducklings, the chicks on the switchboard are waiting to take your call.
Don't start blubbing, for God's sake.
Every time I turn around, I expect you to appear. Everyone may call my name, but it's your voice that I hear. Is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away. Get back! Get back, all of you! Every day will seem to be more empty than the last. Everywhere the sun once shone, a shadow has been cast. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away.
But Ida, you can't just leave me with the other four.
It's no good, Drake. My mind is made up.
But you're wasting your time, love. You know you are. Aside from which, it's dangerous to go wandering past the churchyard at this time of year.
I won't be satisfied until I learn the truth. Try to understand, dear. A mother knows. Every tear